I'm Mary Funderlich. This is Ginger Funderlich, Zach Berger, Jackie Dahlier.
We are going to talk about mixtures and how to separate them. You can do that by filtering them, centrifuge, decant, evaporation, distillation, and chromatography.
To see real-life examples of how these mixture things are used in real life. Got mail. Oh look, we're invited to one of Mary's mixture parties. Have you read it yet? The guidelines are a little weird.
Yeah, there's a dress code and everything.
We even have to bring a cat. Hey, I think I see a trend in these guidelines.
It looks like the 5 ways to separate mixtures.
Well, golly, Mary's done it again. Wait, what's a mixture again?
A mixture is a collection of 2 or more pure substances physically mixed together.
Aren't there 2 types of mixtures?
Yes, homogeneous and heterogeneous.
Okay.
Hey guys, I think I need a little help preparing for my mixture party.
Be there in a second.
Okay.
Glad to hear it, ladies. I think we're gonna start on the dress code, so why don't you skedaddle on over and we're gonna have a grand time. Oh look, I have guests.
Hi.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Thanks for coming to my mixture party early to help me set up. Why do you think I had you wear a tie-dye?
I don't know.
To show us chromatography.
That's right.
Yeah, chromatography is a technique which uses a mobile and stationary phase to physically separate substances. It exploits solubility.
That's right. The more attracted to the soluble phase it is, the slower it moves, and vice versa.
Yeah!
Alright, time for the spaghetti. Sauce or noodles first? Sauce, come on! Okay, let's get started. Be right back, ladies. Darn it,
For the sauce, we're going to take this tomato and centrifuge it. This is a centrifuge, and we're going to have to put this into a centrifugation tube. And when we do that, we stick this in here, spin it around. Centrifugation exploits density, and we'll be left with layers of tomato, and that's good because we only want the top watery layer. Let's do it.
Yay, you're back!
Hey guys!
Just in time, I dropped my sock in the sink.
Oh no, how wet is it?
Pretty wet.
All you have to do is set it on the deck. Doing this will cause the sock to become dry because the sun will heat up the water, leaving the sock dry. This is called evaporation, one of the many 5 mixture separation techniques.
Now we're back to the sauce, finally, yay!
How are we gonna do that?
Well, we use the separation method where you pour off a layer, the top layer of the mixture, leaving the other layers behind.
That's decanting, right?
Yeah, it exploits density! Oh, top layer's gone now.
Spaghetti's done.
Well, we have to filter out the noodles from the water.
Good idea. That's filterization, which is when particles smaller than the filter pass through and exploit the particle sizes.
I'll do it.
Okay.
And you.
You go, girl. Careful now, it's hot. It's like a free facial.
Look, the noodles are bigger than the water, so they're staying in as the water filters through.
Woo!
This
Spaghetti.
exploits particle size.
Yay, spaghetti.
Yay!
Okay, is that it?
I believe so, ladies. I'll see you in a couple hours. Don't forget your cats.
Bye.
the
Thanks!
Mm.
I have the cat.
Okay. They like to eat, so let's go.
Spaghetti,
Your
yay!
cat.
Look,
Yay,
guys.
spaghetti.
All our hard work finally paid off for our mixture party.
This is a nice
Yeah.
heterogeneous mixture here.
You're telling me. Oh wait, let me grab the colloids.
Yay!
You see, I love colloids.
By the way, a colloid is a suspension of particles evenly through a solution.
Yay!
Like milk, which is great with spaghetti and sauce.
Woo! This is good, Mary.
Thanks, Z.
I see all the 5 ways we use to separate mixtures in this nice party.
What are they?
Well, you see the tie-dye. That's
Chromatography. Finishing your sentences like the best friends we are. How about filtration?
Zach did that when he poured the water and the noodles in the strainer.
Speaking of which, I think your sock is dry, Jackie.
Which brings up evaporation.
Good as new. And it's clean.
And what was decanting?
Well, you see, the sauce needs to be separated. And now we have a nice...
Sauce. And then we centrifuge too, right, Mary?
Right.
How do we do that?
We put the tomato into a machine, it spun around and exploited the density.
Yay!
I love mixtures.
This is good.
Oh, no worries. Setting out in the sun. What a great segue. All you have to do is set it out in the sun. Doing this will cause the water to heat up, boil off the sock, and float away. Not float away, I guess. Hey ladies,
Hey.
thanks for coming over. Glad to see you wearing Get her.
Oh, come on!
I mean, how many cats do we need in the thing?
Hey! Yeah, a little bit more.
Mary, that's so much.
Is it?
Look at the color
Oh.
of it.